Descriptive statistics, important. Things like mean, median. I can find the minimum or maximum of these things. So if I want to find out what the average age is, okay, I can find the average really quick, 33.83. I could find the maximum age, the oldest person, the youngest person. So you can find out this very high level information. It's probably not what you'd call data science all by itself, but it's a good lead in. It starts to help us understand some of the problems. Now, more often than not, I'm going to just use describe, because what that does is it actually just shows me all of the basic descriptive statistics. The count, there are 6 people, the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum, the 25, 50, and 75th percentile. That tells me how the data is shaped, okay? And the maximum age. So descriptive statistics tell us some things about it. You can also sort data, okay? So if I want to sort the data, okay, print it's sort values. Geez. Okay, what am I doing? Sort values. Oh, I always forget that. All right, there you go. So now I'm sorting the values by age from lowest to youngest to oldest. And I can do ascending equals false. Because the normal way to do things is to go from smallest to biggest. If I want to switch that, I can say ascending equals false. And then it yells at me again because I put the parentheses in the wrong place. There we go. Now we're going to say ascending equals false. And I start at the oldest, go to the youngest. So I can sort data. You can also sort just on anything else. I could say on name, and it gives me those things in reverse alphabetical order. George, David, Charlie, Bob, Bill, Alice. Okay? So I can do that. You can also, if you want to get really advanced, use 2 columns. Like if you have, a million lines of data, you're probably going to have more than one Bill in there. So you might sort by Bill and then age, or name and then age. And then you could say ascending, true and false. So you can get pretty complicated with your sorting. Again, this would all probably fall into the category of data wrangling. So getting to know the data a little bit.